Hey everyone, today we are going to take a quick look at the new OnePlus 8 series. We'll be comparing both the phones side by side. So without delaying further, let's start.
नेता टाइप आधा काम मत करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकॉन भी दबाओ।
Talking about the boxes, they look plain and simple. 8 is written on top, and on the side we can see there's a OnePlus branding over it. And on the other side you can see OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro written over it. There you go, this is both the products, the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro. We have some paperwork, safety information, user manual and a personal letter. This is from the CEO and the founder of OnePlus. Moving on, inside the box we got this beautiful cover and I really like this. It has a never settle written all over it on the side, and then we got the traditional red cable Type-C charging cable from OnePlus, and then of course the super fast 30T warp charger. So finally, this is the OnePlus 8 and the 8 Pro on my right. OnePlus has done a really good job with the color variant selection. They look beautiful. On the 8 Pro we have a logo, that means it supports wireless charging. Talking about the build and the looks, just like any other OnePlus device, it's amazing. We have aluminium frame and curved glass, and the very first time OnePlus has introduced IP rating. Yes, they are IP certified. Talking about the design, both looks really similar, and OnePlus have dropped the 7T design and stuck with the 7 Pro design. Carrying on the trend, OnePlus 8 is smaller in dimension as compared to OnePlus 8 Pro, and it's also lighter by roughly around 20 grams. Both the phones comes with a fluid AMOLED panel and supports HDR10+. OnePlus 8 Pro also has MEMC technology, that's a 10-bit color technology, and it works really great. When it comes to display, you can't beat OnePlus 8 Pro. It is having the best display a smartphone can have right now. Both the phone features curved edge, but OnePlus 8 Pro has more curve than OnePlus 8. OnePlus 8 Pro has a refresh rate of 120Hz and OnePlus 8 has of 90Hz. The difference is not much, unlike shifting from 60Hz to 90Hz. Because of MEMC, the OnePlus 8 Pro is able to convert the 20-25Hz refresh rate video to a higher refresh rate, which makes it even smoother. And there is a color calibration option as well. The best part is both go well with Netflix and Amazon. Talking about the fingerprint, just like any other OnePlus device, it's super fast. Unlike back design, OnePlus has dropped the pop-up camera from OnePlus 7 Pro. Now on front we have the punch hole design, and on back it's just the same. Both the phone features same front-facing camera, but the set of camera on the back are different. And without a doubt, OnePlus 8 Pro is the clear winner. It beats OnePlus 8 when it comes to low light condition by a decent margin. Both the phone runs on the same processor, the Snapdragon 865X 555G processor, and both are equally good. Everything is same, only the RAM type is different. That doesn't matter much, yet it increases the efficiency by 20-25%. You won't come across any major difference when it comes to performance on day-to-day use. Talking about the software, OnePlus has been on top of the game. It's the Oxygen OS here again. The device has dual speaker, one at the top and the other at the bottom, and both of them support Dolby Atmos. In battery department, OnePlus 8 Pro does have a larger battery, but it also has a larger display, and both the phones supports fast charging. And finally, wireless charging is here, and it was worth waiting. It's almost 4 to 5 times faster and powerful than the normal wireless chargers. The 8 Pro also supports reverse charging. Now, one very smart feature both the phone have in common. Both the device learns from your habit and optimizes the charging and prevents overcharging. This is really useful in case you have the habit of keeping your phone on charge the whole night, just like I do. The Indian pricing has not been disclosed yet. There was a tweet from the OnePlus officials that the pricing will be different. This was the tweet. We don't speak dollars, Indian prices coming soon. So we'll have to wait for that. Hope you like the video. The OnePlus 8 Pro is a proper flagship and OnePlus 8 is typical OnePlus flagship killer. Hope you like the video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.
इस वीडियो के सामने आने के बाद सवाल तो बनता ही है,
अगर हम करें तो करें क्या, बोले तो बोले क्या।
नेता टाइप आधा काम मत करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकॉन भी दबाओ।